Alright guys, welcome one more time in my new video, and today I want to make one more now, and this one is going to be about the price of the Bitcoin and the movement of the Bitcoin. So just I want to put a smaller volume. Okay, so as I always say before we start, please, I would like to ask you for your like and your subscribe. So that's the way you can help me grow my channel. Doesn't mean anything to you, it means a lot to me. So again, I want to say thanks to all of you guys who subscribe to my channel and all of you who like my videos. I know for some people who are more experienced, my videos maybe are not so, I don't know, good, or they doesn't see any help because they already grow even more. But I want to repeat, this is for the people who are new in the crypto, who are new in the trading, and before they start panicking, selling in the losses and minuses, just check all these things, check my videos, because I'm also the one who start from the scratch. I start from zero. I start learning by myself, and that's is my experience that I want to share with all of you. Again, I want to mention that one small disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor, so there is a risk. Like everything in life, there is a risk also in the trading, in buying crypto. There is so many types of different risks, so you need to know what you're doing. That's why I'm making these videos, for the people to make it easier, that they know what to buy, they know what not to buy, where they can trade, what they can do, all the things I did. I'm just sharing with all of you guys. So I don't want to take too much time of yours. And again, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's start with a Bitcoin analysis. Okay, guys. So as we see and as we know, there is the huge drop in the price of the Bitcoin. So I'm gonna show you the chart. Okay, I was checking something by myself, and I want to do with you guys. So I want to show you how am I, for example, doing my own analysis. Okay. So what do we have here? Okay, let me first remove all my drawings. This is the old one. Okay, so this is a daily chart. Okay, and in the daily chart, what we can see, this is the 11,000 price. This is the area of 11,000. This is 17, and this is 31. Okay, so and then we go higher and higher. So there is a basic tools for everyone should use before start trading. Okay, Fibonacci levels. Fibonacci is one of the really the best way that you can predict, or it's gonna help you predicting the price and where it's gonna be, where it can go. Okay, so we have also two more tools that I'm using all the time. That's Elliot Wave, Elliot Impulse Wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have Elliot Correction Wave. Okay, so I'm gonna start first with the Elliot Impulse Wave. So it means I'm gonna explain you step by step. Okay, let's start from here, from $19,000. Okay, so the first jump is this is the first impulse. Okay, the second one usually goes a retrace, so he pulls back a little bit. Okay, this is the second wave. Okay, we have a third wave, and this is a trading waves. So how the traders are doing. So like I said, the first wave, they're buying, then they sell, they take some profits, then again they're buying, like this one now. Okay, here we have, okay, they're selling, and it goes a little bit more aggressive. Okay, and the third wave we have right here. Okay, so this one, and we have, and as you can see, this is the Elliott wave. So somebody could maybe extend this one, this number, step 4 and 5 until here. I'm not going to do it. I'm going to use it like this because I think this is the one. Okay, so first wave, people bought a lot, they sold, they took some profit. This is the retracement. Then we have a second signal, second impulse, and again we have a sell. So it means it's going to retrace. As you can see, the second between here, this retrace is a little bit less aggressive. Okay, here this is more aggressive, as you can see the drop. And then we have the fifth wave, and it ends up somewhere around this level. Okay, so after that usually comes the Elliot correction wave. Okay, so let's say that he was consolidating here, and from this point he go here. Okay, he pull back again and he make a correction. Okay, this looks like okay for you. I hope it is. It's simple. So you need to choose 1 day daily chart. It's gonna show you every candle is 1 day. Okay, so it make it clear for you. Okay, all these tools you can find in this area. Okay, so like I said, the first wave and the retracement, second wave and the retracement, third wave, and that's it. The next step comes Elliot correction wave. Okay, it has 4 steps. So the first one, okay, the second one, and the last one is here. So by my judgment and my predictions, the Bitcoin should stop here. So also we have, this is the first time when he starts growing. So the first signal, boom, the first wave came until area of 42,000. Okay, he had a retracement. The second wave, 58,000. Okay, he retraced. The last one was 64,000, and he will make a small consolidation here. And after that, he starts Elliott correction. Okay, he needs to make a correction. The first wave, again and again. Okay, and that's the end. So what we can expect? One more thing, like I mentioned, we have a Fibonacci. Fibonacci, I'm going to show you. You take the Fibonacci retracement, and we can see where he can come back. Okay, so let's say he grew until the 64,000, and he started from, like I said, 19,000. Okay, so what we have here now, this is the zero level where he started growing. This is the area 236, 382, 05, 618, 785, and 1. So this here means that he grew 100% from here until here. So in the percentage, 50% is around here. Okay, so he is now, since he was 19,000, he grew 100%, and he pulled back half of the way. So half is 43,000. Okay, let's be rough, you know. Okay, so now we see that he should stop there. Why he should stop there? Okay, I'm going to show you now. Let's take like this, for example. We take again Fibonacci retracement. This is the peak, this is the beginning. Okay, so from the peak we will pull down, and we will see here that he retraced exactly on 05. Okay, so he grew here 100%, and 50% he pulled back. Okay, and then he started second wave. Okay, so let's remove this one, and I'm gonna keep showing you. Again, you take the Fibonacci retracement, you can find it here, find the second peak, and we see here he drop. So let's measure that to see, and let's say that he grew from this point. Okay, so we see that he grew from here. He starts the second impulse, he go up, and he retrace exactly where he retraced, 0.5, as you can see here. Again, this is the second time after the second step of Elliott wave. By the Fibonacci, he retraced 50%. Okay, he make a new growth, and he go up, he continue to go up. Okay, so we will remove this one. Okay, and let's say from here he pulled back and he go here, the last impulse. Let's try to measure. I'm not sure it's gonna be the same, but let's try, never mind. Okay, and let's say he starts from here. Okay, so what do we have here? 05, he small, he break a little bit 05 in area 382. Basically this is the same like he was on 05, as you can see, 05, and he make a pullback again. So my just give me a second, I want to remove the Fibonacci. Okay, now let me make again for you to see. Like I said, daily chart, I just make you Elliott wave and Elliott correction. Okay, I did the Fibonacci measurement from the first impulse and the retracement, the second impulse and the retracement, the third impulse. Okay, so this is gonna be one more of the complete analysis, and as you can see, I'm gonna take again, I'm gonna pull out the Fibonacci. Let's say this is the highest, and where was 19,000? Right about here. Okay, so what do we have here? We had the first wave, 50% retracement, second wave, 50% retracement, third wave, small change. Actually, it was 50% retracement. Okay, so what we can expect from the full movement of the Bitcoin, that he can go back, as you can see now. Let me remove the blue one. As you can see, 0.5. We are on 0.5. So as I say, the Ellion's correction wave is ending up approximately somewhere around here, like we see in this part here, that it happened that he broke 0.5 a little bit. He entered in the area of 382, but again, he pulled back. What we can expect here, that he can enter or touch the 0.5 level and starts going in this direction. If he breaks, he can break, let's say, a little bit until here. It can be 39,000, but most probably he will go in this way. Okay, so as you can see, 1, 2, 3 levels I measured with a retracement, with the Fibonacci tool. I also use the Elliot Wave, so I only have this. I'm using most of the time only these three tools. Okay, we have a Fibonacci retracement, we have Elliot impulse wave and Elliot correction wave. And as you can see, everything shows that the Bitcoin should stop. So he's supposed to stop here, approximately on a level 0.5, okay, 50% of the retracement of the complete impulse. Let's calculate until here. He will drop 50%, and he will start most probably the next cycle and the next Elliot impulse wave. So let's predict the next one. Roughly, if he ends up here, he may go, let's say, back. He can pull back again. The last time was not too aggressive. The second one can come up, let's say, here. He can retrace this one a little bit, let's say like this, and the fifth one might go until here. Okay, so this is the 75k area. Okay, 70k area. Yeah, let's say this is a rough. As you can see, not only here we have a Fibonacci retracement, like I show you and I mentioned in the beginning. We have the areas here. We also have a Fibonacci extension on top of this one. So this means if he grew until here, it is expected that he will enter in this area here. As you see, I measured with very roughly, I measured with the Elliott impulse wave that he will basically end up in the area of 75,000, actually 70,000, 80 until 90,000, as you can see here, 91. So basically, I don't want to panic people, and I don't want to say nothing bad. Most probably the institutions, most probably many big whales are just buying the dip now, and they're expecting to drop even more. Like I said, approximately, let's say around 39k or something like that. Even if he touched 0.382, that's not bad. He's still in the good position, and that's 36,000. I'm really hoping it's not gonna happen that, but even if he breaks, like let's say until here, that's 39,700. So I don't think there is a concern about the Bitcoin and about anything else. As you see, he had the 3 cycle, then he had a correction. Expected is that he will continue to grow, and like everybody says, it's a long term, so there is no space for panic. People shouldn't panic. This is a normal thing to happen with the Bitcoin, and as you can see, you can use this in the past, and you can also go back and you can measure by yourself and make your analysis, just for you to know and to practice, to be more sure. You will see the different signals that in every chart is different. This is a one day. We have 4 hours, 1 hour, 15 minutes, and so on. Okay, so like I said, we have also the trading view. That's really the good place where you can make your analysis. and like a long term, short term, depends which trader you are and everything. Okay, so guys, I don't want to take your time anymore. I really hope I helped you making this analysis. If you like the video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and also leave me in the comments all your opinions about my analysis. If I'm wrong, if I'm right, whatever you think, I will be glad to answer them. Okay, thank you guys one more time, and God bless you.